Hi everyone. So in this figure shown, we are asked to find the area of the shaded parts. So first thing we want to do is to find the area of each of those circles that we see here. And formula for area of a circle is pi times r squared. Okay, in other words, we're taking pi as 3.14, so 3.14 times the radius once again. So for our larger circle, I'm going to call that area sub L for large. We're going to calculate that by saying 3.14 times the radius, which is 11, times the radius once again, which is 11. When you calculate that, you will get 379.94 centimeters squared. And for a smaller circle, which I'm going to call area sub S for small, I will write 3.14 times the radius, which is 8, and once again times 8, and I will get 200.96 centimeters squared. Okay, so what's the next step? Because we know that we have to remove this white piece in order to find the area of the shaded areas. So let's add those two circles together. Let's add those two areas together and start there. So I'm going to say 379.94 plus 200.96. And the total area of the two circles, if we're talking about two separate circles, would be 580.9. So now what we have to do may seem simple. You might be thinking, okay, we have the combined areas of those two circles, and now we just have to subtract that missing white piece, which is 76.5 centimeters, 76.5 centimeters squared. But let's think about this for a second. So what we're trying to find is the area of these two shaded parts. Let's think of them in terms of them being individual circles. So here we found the area of this large circle here, but from that large circle, this whole piece is missing. And then we have the smaller circle, and from that circle, this whole piece is missing too. So we actually have to remove the area of that little piece twice. So I'm going to say 580.9 minus 76.5 minus 76.5 again. And that brings us to 427.9 centimeters squared. And that is our answer. That is the area of the shaded part.